In this video, I will show you how to upload photos and videos on Google Drive and share a link. Go here and click Drive, or you can just type in drive.google.com, will be same. And then go on the left side here. You have two options. The one is here by clicking New, and then you can upload a folder or create a new folder where you will add those pictures or images. New folder, for example. We just created a new folder. Like you can see here, we can open this new folder. And then the first thing is we can say new and file upload. And then we can choose from the videos and like pictures. For example, I can say this one here and I can click open. Then it will basically take a minute to upload in here. And I will basically speed up this process so you don't have to wait that much, but it's basically the same as for images file upload. You can find any image. Maybe I can find something like this. Yeah, I can find this image here, open, and then you can see here it will take a little bit and the image is now uploaded to the drive. Like you can see, check video was uploaded in this new folder here. This is the first method. The other method would be to go onto your desktop, find the file and drag and drop it like in here, drop files to upload them on your folder, as easy as that. But yeah, anyways, how to share the link is by basically clicking these three dots here, and then you can go here, share, and then you have two options. Just to share, click copy link here, and then you are able to send this link to any person or share it online. But you have the options when you go here under share to add a specific Gmail address for just that specific person who can view this file, this image or video file. And you can see here now the access to this image is restricted. So if I share this link, if they don't have the invite from my side, for example, I can type in this email address and I can say, okay, this person can either be an editor, basically delete this image or do whatever he wants with this image, or just be a viewer. That means when I send this person will get now an invite to view this image. Same here for the video file. By clicking share, I can say, should it be restricted or anyone with this link? By clicking anyone with this link, so anyone on the internet with this link can view it. Basically, that's what the most of you are interested in. Then just click copy link, done, and then you can share this exact video link here file to someone else. And if this person clicks the link, he's able to open the file and just straight clicking and you see. Hi there and welcome to watch the entire video. As simple as that. Leave a like and see you in the next video.